all these YouTubers, tjhunt, Stradman, Speed 717, all these guys, I watch their videos and they got these C8s and it's like, they're so sick. I wish I was able to just, you know, chop them all apart and do exhausts and twin turbos like all these guys are doing, but you know, maybe one day. That's why y'all gotta smash that subscribe button, because soon enough, we'll be there. Well, boys, the day is finally here. I've been talking about this day for a long time now. I mean, I've been talking about cutting up and working on C8s for like 2 years now. And since I bought that C8, I've been wanting this kit from day one. So the time is finally here. I'm working on the car and the kit is finally here. This has been a long time in the works getting this kit. So before I open it and, you know, we unbox and I show you everything inside it because I've been dying to open it, I gotta, you know, unfold exactly how this happened. So I don't know what it was like 6 months or something. It was like 3 months before tjhunt. If you guys don't know tjhunt, he's a YouTuber. He has a C8, he has a whole bunch of sick shit. He builds cars. He makes this kit, this is his company. When he got his C8, he instantly was talking about building a WideBody kit for it, and I knew, you know, he's got good taste, so I knew his kit was gonna be the sickest. He revealed a rendering, and right when he revealed the rendering, I was like, oh my God, I gotta get that kit. So if you guys don't know, I dropped the C8 merch a while back, and I said if we sell out, I'm buying the WideBody kit, and we sold out. So right when we did that, I was trying to figure out, okay, now I need to get it, now I need to get it. I posted on my story of me talking about like 2 years ago, wanting a C8, like I wanted to chop them up, do exhaust, and how I watched tjhunt, Stradman, all these guys with C8s. I really wanted a C8 and really wanted to work on a C8. So I posted on my story and TJ instantly hit me back and was like, yo bro, I'd love to hook you up with a kit. He didn't give it to me for free or anything, but he hooked me up. It's kind of cool, you know. We're definitely gonna be the most low budget wide body C8 of all time. You know, we're doing it in my garage right here and in the driveway. So shout out to tjhunt, you know, hooking your boy up and making this happen. And also all you guys that bought the merch, because without you guys, this would have never happened. I would have never been able to afford this kit because this kit's like $16,000, which is honestly absolutely unreal. And also it's unreal I have this car. I don't really even know how that happened either, but you know, things happen. And also I already got the carbon fiber hood. This is the Sigla Designs carbon fiber hood, if you guys don't know. I'm keeping this carbon fiber, I'm not painting it or anything. And then I might wrap the car. Also, I'm still waiting on my wheels because I've had this kit for about, I'd say a month now. I've been hiding it, but enough talking and I'm gonna start opening this bitch up. Apparently this is like the hardware, and I'm honestly don't know anything. Like when I talk, don't listen to anything I say because I don't know what I'm talking about. I've never wide bodied a car. I know nothing about wide body kits. I don't think there's anything too exciting in here. I think all the exciting stuff's in this big box right here. Get right to it. Honestly, it opens up pretty easy. It's like it's all ruined. It's like crushed. That'd be an L. I feel like it would be more, like there's more to it than this, but I guess it's not as much as like you would think. All right, here we go. Yo, that's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. All right, here we go. We got a certificate of authenticity. So you know, like, I don't got no fake shit. You know, I'm not rocking no fraudulent street hunter kit, no eBay special. VIN number 005. So this is the 5th street hunter kit of all time. I'm gonna tape this bitch up right now, mock them all up, tape them, and you know, it's gonna look pretty good, I think. Might take it out for a spin once it's all taped up. I can't even find a freaking blade around here. We're on a low budget out here, man. We're on a low budget. This bitch is about to be the sickest C8 on the internet. We might not beat TJ, but the goal is to beat TJ and make ours nicer, which is pretty hard when he designed the kit, but you know, imagine everyone's like, yeah, bro, Judah's shit's way sicker than yours. He'd be like, bitch, I made that kit. I live in Florida, and like in this area, no one even has a C8 really. Like a couple people, and if they do have it, they're like at least 60 years old. So let alone like a wide body custom one, this thing's gonna be like a showstopper. I wonder if I got the carbon fiber splitter. I don't remember. It's funny, I wonder what people are thinking right now. Like, how do you not know what you ordered? It's cause like, I don't know, I'm just like, yeah, I'll take it. All right, so here's the first over fender. I wish I had the other one because I do that side, but check out that carbon. Insanely sick, bro, insane. With the hood and the roof, So I have the OEM carbon fiber roof too. I'm gonna have the carbon wing. All right, one piece down. Yo, look at this though. This is kind of cool.
I wish I was able to just, you know, chop them all apart and do exhaust and twin turbos like all these guys are doing, but, you know, maybe one day. That's why y'all gotta smash that subscribe button.
Anyone that sees that's like, damn, that motherfucker really called that. All right, so if I'm being honest, I think the lip only comes in carbon, but I'm not sure. You don't want to get your hopes up. Oh, dude. Yeah, that's sick. Also, I still haven't got lowering springs or bags or anything for this car. I've still got to figure that out, what I'm gonna do. But you know, we're balling on a budget around here. I'm like making shit happen, so you know, I don't know if I'm gonna do bags. I think I'm gonna go with lowering springs for now. But I think it'll look sick because I've seen a couple guys, their C8s don't sit that low. The final piece, and definitely the sickest piece. Oh, it's kind of heavy too. The wing. This is definitely the best part of the whole kit. Bro, that is crazy. Look at this. I think it's aluminum. I think wrapped in carbon. That is a serious ass wing, bro. Yeah, we're dialed. Sickest C8 in the state of Florida, for sure. I'm claiming that ticket now. Well, we unboxed it all and we did not find the directions. So I'm about to go on YouTube and, you know, figure out what the hell, how to install this thing, because I guess, you know, you don't get instructions. I don't know. I guess you just figure it out on your own. Time to mock this thing up. We're gonna tape it up. All right, well, you know, we got them taped up and it looks absolutely awful. The WideBody Kit has these little studs on the inside of it, so I gotta figure out how exactly to line it up because it's a little hole, and if I drill the hole and then the body kit doesn't fit right, I don't know. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. One thing I gotta figure out when my wheels are coming in, because I don't want to start drilling and cutting and then have to wait like 3 weeks for my wheels to come in. So I have some things to figure out. All right, so I didn't get a whole lot done on the WideBody Kit other than, you know, unboxing it and, you know, mocking it up. One side fell off, I don't know if you can see that, but, you know, it's gonna be a big project. This is a big project for me. I've never wide-bodied a car, and I'm still waiting on the wheels. The wheels are gonna take, I think, another like 3 or 4 weeks to come in. I gotta figure out what tires I'm gonna run. I gotta figure out what lowering kit I'm gonna do. There's a lot to figure out when wide-bodying this car, but, you know, we're gonna get it done like always. But, you know, I'm just sitting here looking at this wide-body kit, and it's pretty cool looking at it right now and just knowing everything that's went into getting it to this point and everything that's led up to this point. Like watching that video, me talking about wanting a C8 and how all these other YouTubers are chopping them up the first day they get them and doing exhausts and twin turbos, and we're not doing a twin turbo, but, you know, we're doing some cool stuff here. The WideBody Kit, and we did an exhaust, and it's just kind of crazy that, like, at that moment, that's literally exactly what I wanted. Like, I wanted to be right here when I was filming that video, and now we're here, you know, doing the WideBody Kit, and, you know, we're not exactly where I want to be. I'm trying to, you know, excel and keep going, because that's the thing. I mean, you always want more, but, you know, it's cool to sit back and just look at this and just be like, damn, like, I really did do it. I said I wanted the C8, I got the C8. I said I wanted the WideBody Kit, we got the WideBody Kit. And another thing is, in that video, first name I mentioned was like tjhunt, and I'm not really religiously watching tjhunt, but I've been watching him for a while. I remember when he got his Ferrari, I was like, dude, you know, I'm tired of watching these YouTubers do all these amazing things. I want to do amazing things. So that's the day I ordered my first GoPro, and I was like, dude, I could do this. You know, I got bigger and bigger goals, and we're going to see if they happen. In my head, I mean, I'm worried if they're going to happen or not. But, you know, just like this happened, I'm sure those will happen. As long as I keep working, keep grinding, keep making these videos for you guys, and you guys watching is the reason this is happening. Because like I said, I dropped the merch, you guys sold it out. And then we got the WideBody Kit. So shout out to all you guys that watch and all you guys that support me. I'll see you next time.